And it turns out I've got 6 shop vacs. I'd forgotten I had all these. This is my usual setup. So at the end of my bench where I use all the power tools, I've got the sanders all set up, track saw, routers. But although it's a good setup, it can be improved. And look at the big mess on the floor. And it's taking up floor space. So without that being there, this could all be usable. This one's set up for the power tools around the bench. Others are set up for different things around the workshop. I've got one front sight with the 110, and I've got the little handheld one, but that's too many for anyone, isn't it? They all have the different uses, but I've just been sent something which will totally change the way I use a vac in the workshop. I've been sent this by Giraffe Tools. It's very heavy. I do recommend a 2-man lift on this, or a 2-person lift. And what this is, it's a wall-mounted workshop vacuum. It looks like a fantastic bit of kit, so let's get it unboxed, up on the wall, and let's see if it's as good as it says it is. Now, I will leave a link to this in the description below, and hopefully there'll be a bit of a discount code as well, so you can get yours a bit cheaper. First out, instructions. Then, oh, this is good, a template for putting up the bracket. Sound. Doesn't mean you've got to measure and mark it and all that. Pipes. Fixings, decent wall anchors, lots of. And it's got a filter as well if you want to use it as a wet vac. That is a heavy vacuum. It's a big vacuum unit. It's got 10 meters of hose, which is ideal for most small workshops. I mean, it's good enough for mine. I get from one end to the other. So underneath is the dust compartment. And in there is more accessories. That's a lot of accessories there. I've set up the template on the wall to show me where to drill the holes, and I've set up the laser level to get it nice and level. Just there. So I'm just going to spike it first with a 5.5 and then I'll swap over to a 12mm. Just had that stuck up there with a bit of blue tack. So I'll swap that out for the 12mm. And I use the new vacuum to suck up the dust. And now for the brackets. So one of the screws and a washer. Now this is heavy, so probably better off to get someone to give you a hand with it, but I'm here by myself, so in my small workshop, because I've put this close to the middle, it's going to go all the way to one end and all the way to the other end, and if it wasn't raining so bad, it'd even go outside as well. And I can turn it on from all the way down here. I haven't got to press the button on the machine. Fantastic. So now I can do the whole floor in one go without having to unplug. Right, it's lashing down, but let's see how far we get. So it gets a decent way outside. And if I hadn't put that shed in the way, I could probably back the cars into here and hoover them from here. And the best part is, when you're done with it, you haven't got to deal with all this hose. You haven't got to wrap it round nothing, you haven't got to leave it trailing. You just pull it. And it retracts by itself. And that goes there. How good is that? I'm well happy with that. Great bit of kit. So thanks to Giraffe Tools for supplying it to me. Go and check out the link in the description below. Thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, please hit the like button. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you next time.